Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. Today is currently January 23rd, 2026. And nandito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 3 kasi pupunta tayo ng Hanoi and Sapa, Vietnam. Ang flight natin is 5:10 a.m. in the morning and nakarating tayo dito ng airport around 12:50 a.m. And then pumila kagad tayo sa bag drop. Inabot tayo dun ng 30 minutes. And sa immigration naman, saglit lang, mga 25 minutes lang, including the security check, nakalagpas na rin tayo. And nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor. Kaya lang, dapat pumunta tayo doon sa Marhaba Lounge. Kaya lang, pag gantong kaaga, close pa yung lounge kasi they usually open at 6 a.m. And I think they do close around 12 midnight. So, correct me if I am wrong. So ngayon, try natin bumaba at kain na lang tayo sa restaurant na makita natin. So time check muna tayo guys. It's currently 2:05 a.m. in the morning. And ang flight natin is at 5:10 a.m. So we still have 3 more hours to go before our scheduled flight. Since sarado yung Marhaba Lounge, and busog pa naman ako since kumain tayo sa house bago tayo pumunta ng airport, I opted to grab a potato corner, a Giga one, and sour cream flavor, which is my favorite, and of course, coconut water. So ito na lang muna yung kainin natin at inumin. And for the meantime, nandito ako ngayon sa gate kung saan less ang tao since ang gate natin is 104, medyo dulo pa siya. So pumuna tayo dito since 3 hours pa yung aantayin natin. So for now, kain na muna ako and then mag-aantay na lang ng oras. Alright guys, so nakaboard na tayo ng plane and nilipat na tayo papuntang Hanoi. See you there.
Through the big days and the quiet times, we laughed, we felt, we crossed some lines. Even when I couldn't find my way, you were there and I'm okay. On the hardest days and nights I cried, you stayed close, you never left my side. I don't say it every single day, but you're the reason I'm okay. Thank you for being just who you are. Every word, every hug, every scar. No matter how much time passes through, I'll never forget what I got from you. Bright. I couldn't say sorry though I tried, but the day I found a little strength to speak, I realize it's me who's grown this deep. I know it now, I see it clear.
So guys, nakalabas tayo ng plane and we have just landed here at Noi Bai International Airport in Hanoi, Vietnam.
I'll say it from my heart. Thank you for being just who you are. Every word, every hug, every scar. No matter how much time passes through, I'll never forget what I got from you. Lift someone else just like you've done. To give a
Be, ang sayo-sayo ko. Napakalamig dito ngayon sa Hanoi kasi It's winter season and nanunuot sa balat mo yung lamig. Nandito pa lang tayo sa airport, sa loob ng airport What more pag lumabas pa tayo? Grabe ang lamig. And galakad pa rin tayo papuntang immigration kasi yung gate natin nasa pinakatulo, so medyo malayo-layo pa. So guys, napakabilis dito sa Hanoi and hindi kagaya sa Ho Chi Minh na napakahaba ng pila sa immigration. Dito walang pila, as in paghamas mo. Pagliko ko kanina para makapunta sa immigration area, as in walang pila, kaya nakalabas tayo kaagad. And kung napansin nyo rin kanina, napakaganda ng clouds, no? Kasi nga winter. So maulap talaga siya. Excited na rin ako makalabas para madama natin yung lamig ng Hanoi. Inaantay ko na lang yung luggage natin. So finally guys, nakuha na natin yung luggage natin and nandito na tayo sa labas ng customs. Ito yung arrival area nila dito. Ayan. Dito yan sa Hanoi. So let's just wait for our ride to arrive and then punta na tayo sa hotel. Time check muna tayo. Maaga pa, no? Kasi ang flight natin is 5:10 a.m. Manila time. And nakarating tayo dito. It's already 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So again, Vietnam is 1 hour behind. So kung 8:30 na dito, 9:30 na sa Pilipinas. Suot na rin natin yung ating additional layer para sa lamig, di ba? Nakakatuwa talaga pag winter. Masarap mag-travel pag winter. For sure, hindi ka pipitik. Kasi kapag mainit, di ba, lahat nagpipitikan. Pero kapag winter, kahit mapagod ka, okay lang kasi malamig. So, hindi siya ganun ka-hassle. So finally guys, nakalabas na tayo ng airport and napakalamig, ang saya-saya. Check natin mamaya yung temperature, pero ang lamig. Ito yung labas ng airport nila. This is Hanoi International Airport or Noi Bai International Airport. So inaantay na lang natin yung ride natin. So we finally made it guys. Nakasakay na tayo sa ating ride going to our place here in Hanoi. And napakalamig dito. So nakababa na tayo guys and nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating first hotel which is Solaria. Kita tayo sa main lobby. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa lobby ng hotel and nabigyan natin yung passport natin and they are just gonna do some checking and then let's see kung makakapag check-in tayo ng maaga. So napakaganda ng ambience dito and again napakalamig dito ngayon sa Hanoi. So labas muna tayo ng hotel guys. Balik na lang tayo ng 11 a.m. pag check-in. Explore muna natin yung area. I'm happy. It's so cold. Lamig dito. As in, malamig. Tapos lalo na pag humahangin, ay, ang sarap. Yung hotel pala, malapit lang dito sa famous na lake. Tawid tayo, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh, may nagtitinda rin ng ice cream. Oh, it's cute. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Look at the beautiful flowers.
I know. Look guys, ang ganda oh.
In Germany, they wouldn't even look that good because of the degrees, you know?
So napakasaya ko kasi malamig ang panahon, lalo na pag humangin. And look at the lake. And ngayon naglalakad lang tayo papuntang Starbucks. It's 500 meter away from our hotel. And breakfast tayo doon. Na mamaya nagja-jogging. See?
He run already one time, the whole thing.
Alright.
My God.
This is your POV. I love boy. Yay. Let's walk now towards to our destination. Careful. So naglalakad pa rin tayo towards Starbucks. And from time to time, humihinto tayo para mag-picture kasi napakaganda talaga dito sa Hanoi. Plus the fact na winter, malamig. Lalo na siguro mamayang gabi, no? Eh bukas pupunta tayong Sapa. Mas lalo na sa Sapa. So tama lang ang OOTD natin. So guys, we finally made it to our destination, which is Starbucks. Look, ang ganda. Oh, beautiful. Nice. Say hi. Let's head inside. This is the Starbucks reserved. My God, it's warmer here inside. So guys, naka-order na tayo sa Starbucks dito sa Starbucks Reserve Hanoi. And nakapag-picture na rin tayo sa mascot nila na Panda Bear or a Bear one. And we finally got our order, which is a venti size Java chip and the ham and cheese panini. So ito yung kakainin natin ngayon. Chill lang muna tayo ngayon. And let's enjoy the cold weather here in Hanoi. And for sure tomorrow, mas malamig ang weather sa Sapa. And pack ako ng pack, naiwan ko ang accessory ko for DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the magnet, so that I can stick the DJI on the magnetic wall. But who missed it? Who missed the packet? Packet ng shit. That's good.
Không nói với ông như thế. Qua đây là mày.
Okay, we're done with the Starbucks and naglakad na tayo going back to our hotel. Let's see if makakapag-check-in na tayo because we got an upgraded room with balcony. So, yeah. Finally guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa ating hotel room and bigyan ko kayo ng very quick room tour. Ito yung front door. Key holder here. Meron tayong mirror here. Bongga yan, no? Diba? Touch lang. And then we have our television here. A vanity corner. Hello. We also have a veranda. Tingnan nyo. Oh. And ayun lang yung lake, oh. Dun lang yung lake. Tapos dito banda yung famous church. Tapos ito yung baba natin. And then a small table here. Our bed. And the toilet. Diyan yung toilet. Very quick room tour natin. Chill lang muna tayo saglit tapos labas din tayo mamaya.